All right, in this week's episode of Coming to Northern Virginia, we have a ton of news like Virgin Galactic coming to Manassas of all places, a record-breaking sale in McLean for real estate. Definitely subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers ASAP, so let's start the video. All right, so starting off this week, we're talking about Fairfax County. I was reading something the other day that really shocked me. They said they had a job fair and there is 150,000 job openings in Fairfax, Prince William, and Loudoun and Arlington, which completely blew my mind because there's all this talk of a slowdown economy and all that, but there's 150,000 jobs available in Northern Virginia of all places. And Fairfax said there's 8,700 tech companies in the county alone, and they had this job fair and a ton of companies were coming there. And obviously we have Raytheon moving here, Amazon's headquarters. So 150,000 jobs means great news for our local economy and real estate market. All right, so my next story here, the guy that sold the record-breaking condo sale, which now is the second largest condo in Georgetown in DC, just recently purchased a $10.5 million house in Great Falls, Virginia. So this guy has kind of been on a real estate mad tear. Not sure why he didn't email me like everyone else should. They're having some real estate needs in the area. So this house, obviously completely stunning, but we're starting to see some high-end sales around here. Like we know Dan Steiner bought that one house in Alexandria for 50-some million. And then I just saw one of the Capitals just bought an $8 million house in Fairfax as well. So our area is becoming a huge luxury market with some of these record-breaking sales. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Coming in next, one of the top stories. So Virginia just got ranked the top third state to do business in by CNBC. We were always ranked number one pretty much. North Carolina finally topped us out. Washington State was number two. The reason behind, which kind of shocked me, was they said there really wasn't a great education system here for new jobs and tech jobs, which we have that new Virginia Tech campus here coming in and all that. So a lot of the blame for us losing the top spot kind of fell on Northern Virginia Community College, which they thought should have some more programs and like that to lure some more high-end jobs. But still, number three, which Virginia isn't one of the biggest states by far to be the top third place to do business. And the other thing that blows my mind about that is we're obviously a swing state. One term it's all Democrat, one term it's all Republican. So this thing goes back and forth all the time. So politics aside, we're still one of the top states to do business in. So with 150,000 job openings in Northern Virginia, the top third state to do business in, you know what? A lot of good things coming our way, even in a slowdown on the economy. But I want to know in the comments below what you guys think about that, because is Virginia a really business-friendly state? I definitely think it is. Otherwise, all these new companies would not be moving in here. It looks like a lot more are going to be on their way. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. All right, then my final story, which I know a lot of Aurora Flight Services employees watch my YouTube channel, which is awesome. I actually grew up next to that building. My dad owned Colgan area, which is old hangar is right next to that. But Virgin Galactic just did a deal with them to build 2 new airplanes, it looks like, which is a huge story here. They're actually obviously owned by Boeing, who just moved their headquarters into Arlington, or is going to be moving their headquarters there. So Aurora Flight Services in Manassas just landed a huge contract, like I said, with Virgin Galactic to build motherships. So they are doing some pretty amazing things, and it just shows our area is bringing like a lot of cool, like high-tech space type jobs around the area now. So we've got a ton of good things happening right now. So definitely subscribe to this channel for more local news and breaking news and all that. I feel like I'm becoming like NBC4, like news anchor, but hey, you know what? If you have any real estate questions, I'd love to be your real estate agent of choice. Shoot me an email below, and as always, subscribe, and I'll see you at the top or from the top.